Okay, year 4. Today we are going to look at the conversions of unit of time. Okay, today we only look for hours and days. What is conversion? Conversion means you change. You change hours to day or day to hours. Conversion means change. Okay, before we look at this, let's see hours, or let's see what does it mean hours and what does it mean days. Okay, in the first topic that we learned, right, time. Okay, what do we look about? What do we look at? We look at 12 hours and 24 hours, right? So we understand that one day we have 24 hours, correct? And is divided to 12 hours at day and 12 hours at night. Okay, so we are very clear. Now, let's go back to this. Let's go back to conversion of it. So it say that one day here, one day, if we want to change to hour, we need to time 24. Why? Why do we need to time 24? Because one day has 24 hours, right? If you want to change the day to hours, we need to time 24, okay? But if you want to change hour to day, we need to divide 24. Why? Because, and again, in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, I repeat. If you want to change the day to hour, we need to times 24. Why 24? Because one day we have 24 hours. And if you want to change the hour to day, we need to divide 24. Why? Because one day we have 24 hours. Alright, let's look at this question. We are at page 147 and we look at the first question. Jefferson Panting and his family went for a holiday in Lahad Datu for 3 days. State 3 days in hours. Okay, state 3 days in hours means we need to change the days to how many hours. Okay, so we're gonna find out Jefferson Panting's family how many hours spending in Lahad Datu. Okay, instead we saying days, we talk about hours. We change into hours. So as we mentioned just now, as we talked about it just now, from day to hours, we need to time 24, right? So 3 days time 24 hours equal to 72 hours, right? 3 times 24 equal to 72 hours. Okay, so meaning is 3 days equal to 72 hours. Alright, so one day we have 24 hours, 2 days we have 48 hours, 3 days we have 72 hours. How do I know? Okay, so each day we times 24. Alright, so okay, now instead of we have to know timetable 12, we need to know timetable 24. Don't worry, we just have to write it. So 1 times 24 is 24, right? 2 times 24 is 48. 3 times 24 is 72. let's see question 3. Okay, who is this? This is the Malaysian first astronauts. Okay, our first astronauts. Okay, he's the first man represent Malaysia going to the moon. Alright, okay. The astronaut Sheikh Mustafa was at the International Space Station for 10 days, 21 hours. Okay. Alright. We talk about astronauts in our science for gravity. Okay, so and you also mentioned about ISS. Okay, where is ISS? If you remember, astronaut will go to the space not only just for fun. They go to the space and they actually have an office. It's called International Space Station. They work there. After they finish their work, they will come back to the Earth. So our Malaysian astronaut was in the space for 10 days and 21 hours. So what should we do? What do we need to do here? We need to calculate the days, okay, or we need to change the days to hours. Okay, what do you see here? What do we see here? We see days, 10 days, and we see hours. So if we see this kind of question, we need only to change the days. Okay, we don't have to change the hours. We only need to change the days. So we have to focus on the day first. Then we plus the hour with hour. What do I mean? Look here. We change the day first. 10 days times 24 equal to 240 hours. Right? So we settle the 10 days. Alright, we have the answer for the 10 days. Now, 21 hours. So what would we do? Okay, 240 hours plus 21 hours. Do you see that? We change the day first to hours. Then we plus the answer here to the question above here. Okay, so 240 hours plus 21 hours. So it's 261 hours. Okay, so what is the answer? 10 days, 21 hours equal to 261 hours. Okay, do you understand? So I think that's it for now. We will talk about it more in our class. Thank you.